sunlit class where dreams begin. Not a lecture, but a place within. A white chalk, dust and laughter blend, where TEDF International Vietnam begins its trend. 4 weeks rushing, hearts awake, plans that fail and steps we take. Vietnamese smiles that guide our fear. Each hello makes the purpose clear. It's not from books or notes we burn, but in each class the roles all turn. For when we teach, we truly learn. That's how the courage starts to turn. A teacher's born by heart, not staged by standing real, not just a page. So take the step, be brave, take part at TEDF International Vietnam, where teachers start.